Ramdam ang mainit na pagtanggap ng moviegoers sa unang araw pa lang ng showing ng much-awaited Metro Manila Film Festival entry na Rewind na pinagbibidahan ni Kapuso Primetime Queen Marian Rivera at Kapuso Primetime King Dingdong Dantes. Trending sa social media platform na X ang hashtag na Rewind MMFF at ang pangalan ng Dongyan. Boost din ang papuri online para sa kwento ng Rewind na dinere ni May Cruz Albiar, isa sa mga nagbigay ng positive reviews sa pelikula ang high-respected TV and movie director na si Laurence Gillian. Ayon sa mahusay na filmmaker, moving ang naging pagganap ng Dongyan. Everything else in the storyline stands solid on its own merit with performance from Dingdong and Marian that are real and moving. Dagdag niya, the cinematography that illuminates and visually develops the narrative and experience the protagonist undergoes. The deft and gentle hand of Derek made the visual choices she shot. And finally, the performance, notably by Dingdong Dantes, Marian Rivera, and Pepe Herrera. It was a moving experience for me, as I'm sure it will be for you, ani ni Derek Gillian. Samantala, matapos ang promotion ni Dingdong at Marian para sa Rewind, ay magiging busy naman sila sa pagbabalik ng Will Love sitcom nila na Jose and Maria's Bonggang Villa. May pa-teaser na ang GMA Network sa bonggang comeback ng high-rating show next year. Huwag kalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at i-ring ang notification bell para sa latest at legit chika updates.